Hey, Dan here. Today I want to talk to you about Google My Business, or GMB. Most attorneys and practices set up their social media profiles and their business directories, and they never think about it again. That's a huge mistake. So I'm going to encourage you, go ahead and set up your AVO, your profile on your state bar. But as soon as you're done with those, the one thing I want you to look at is Google My Business and set that up. You can do that by simply going to business.google.com. And there you're going to get a chance to either claim a listing that already exists once you type in your firm, or to create one. In this case, we're going to create one, just deweyfirm.com. Once you're in, you're going to see a lot of things that you need to set up. Yeah, I get it. That can be a bit of a pain in the neck. You already filled it out 100 other times. This one is the one that matters. Again, people use Google. In this case, go ahead and fill in your hours. Go ahead and fill in your website. And then go and fill in your areas of practice, everything else that you see here. Once you're done, I want you to take some extra time and set up the messaging on Google My Business. This one's particularly important because a lot of people that are going to want to interact with you aren't going to want to call, especially if it's after hours. And sometimes they just never want to talk to you on the phone until they know that something's appropriate. So here you can click on the messaging and set up your hours where you can receive those messages, and then you'll have an extra way, very similar to text messaging, to interact with your potential clients. Once you set up your messaging, I want you to put your initial post. Posting is important and actually quite simple, especially if you're already using other social media platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, Twitter, whatever it may be. Go ahead, you can do posts on any particular subject that you want. Typically, you're going to have an image if you have one, and you can talk about any upcoming events that your firm has, holidays, anything that's relevant to you and your practice. What I am going to encourage you to do is avoid doing any type of post with your political rants or some of your pet peeves. If it's not relative to your business and to your firm, your law, your area of practice, it's not going to be something that's appropriate to post. I would also encourage you to reach out to your clients and even the folks that you just do a consult with and ask them for reviews. All things equal, if you have two firms in the listing for any type of law, the one with the most reviews is not only going to get the best ranking, but is the one that people are going to be most likely to click on. So the best way for you to get those reviews is to ask for them. And there you have it. Now you've got your Google My Business profile set up, and your clients can actually find you.